It's me, Pavitran here. Today, what are the levels you should be watching out in crude oil? On a 1 hour time frame, I have marked certain areas that has acted as a good support and as well as a resistant region. So, probably today we will be seeing quite a bit of resistance over that 39.30 level. Once it closes above that region, then next level, which will be a quite a strong one, will be somewhere around 40 region, or else you will be finding a good resistance somewhere around this low, somewhere around 22 of June, 3960 or 3970 region. That will be a temporary one, and a biggest obstacle is somewhere around 40.40 and as well as 41.50. These are the upward strong resistance you should be worrying of. And my take on this today is I will be considering this as again a lower low, a lower high. This was the first one, and I will be considering whether if it gives a big red candle or a big rejection on upper side, I will take that as an second lower high. For this rally, I will be taking this as a retracement. So if you can draw Fibo from 41.60 till yesterday's low, then this will be somewhere around 50 or maybe 61 to maybe 38.5 to 61.8. Will that will be the region. Mostly above 50% of retracement has been done, so I will consider this as an important zone. Still, I am sell on rise. When I will change my view is that when 40.40 gets broken and closed, then only I will consider this as an bullish channel breakout. Till then, I will be on a sell on rise market. And what are the support region you should be seeing is that like I said yesterday, as you can see, the number of times it has taken support over the 37 region. For that main reason, I said yesterday that close below 37 is needed, but market hasn't been broken below that, so it's trying its level best to break that $37 level. Yesterday's low was somewhere around 37.06, so market is struggling quite a lot, and buying players are trying their level hard to push the market or to sustain above $37 region. Either today, if possible, it can try to come again for testing, or else it will try to take support at this region 38.50. Why? Because as you can see here, it has taken quite thus a temporary resistance, and the same way it has taken resistance over here and here, and yesterday too it tried to take resistance here. So this will, the 38.50 will come in handy, but that won't be a strong one, a huge one. Just focus on 37 as usual. On the downside, 35.80 level, and finally 34.50. These are the levels you should be watching out very carefully. So if you can understand this, this is the kind of a support and resistance which I have marked. It may be quite useful for you guys. Maybe around 8th of June the first resistance has formed, then it has taken support, then it has taken resistance, then it had broken that and taken support here, then again it tested that region, then again it took support here. As you can see, this is how a small support and resistance region is being formed on a 1 hour time frame. If you can find the origin of the rally, then that region will act as a quite a strong, maybe the probability around that region will be somewhere around 50 to 60%. So as I said, play with the levels and wait for confirmation, and trade accordingly. RSI is clearly indicating that bearish divergence is forming, and until RSI sustains above 67.15, bearish divergence is on the cards. So every rise will be a selling opportunity for us. Trade accordingly, trade with the levels. Thank you.